Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Parade in downtown Kingston. Now Parade is a major transportation hub in Kingston. You have Halfway Tree, you have Crossroads, and you have Parade. Those are the three main transportation hubs. Halfway Tree, of course, is the biggest, and Parade is one of the busiest. So the government plans to upgrade this area, the JUTC buses, and they plan to put in bus bays in downtown Kingston. Now, as you can see, it's very well, I shouldn't say disorderly, but there is no covering for people to get into and out of the buses. There's no transport center to say. So the government plans to put up shelter, like canopies to shelter the people so they can get into and out of the buses properly. The installation of safety rails. Okay. Among the proposed changes are the installation of safety rails, canopies to provide shelter from the elements, seating, improved signage, and better street lighting. Additionally, a designated bus service for students and a general reorganization of the bus bays are being considered. So, as you can see, those are the bus bays on the left. This is North Parade now. There is no shelter if it's raining. Look on the right. That's a lane. This is a 3-lane road. And look at that. The buses, the taxis are just parked in the road. So out here needs better organization. So that is what they plan to do. I mean, people have to walk across the road, 3 lanes to get to the buses. So the government plans to upgrade this area. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. Public transportation is a crucial aspect of urban life, ensuring the smooth movement of people within cities. In Kingston, Jamaica, the North and South Parade bus bays serve as major transit hubs, connecting downtown Kingston with areas such as Halfway Tree, Harbourview, Spanish Town, and Portmore. Recognizing the need for improvements, the Jamaican government has announced a series of upgrades aimed at enhancing the commuter experience. Among the proposed changes are the installation of safety rails, canopies to provide shelter from the elements, seating, improved signage, and better street lighting. Additionally, a designated bus service for students and a general reorganization of the bus bays are being considered. These improvements aim to make the area safer, more efficient, and more commuter-friendly. During a recent site visit, Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Darrell Vaz, emphasized the importance of these upgrades. He highlighted key issues such as congestion, unauthorized parking, and vending, which contribute to disorder in the area. To address these challenges, a committee comprising representatives from various organizations, including the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, the Transport Authority, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, will oversee the project's implementation. Minister Vaz assured commuters that visible changes would take place in the coming months. Alongside the bus bay improvements, efforts are being made to enhance the efficiency and reliability of the JUTC bus system. Mayor of Kingston also underscored the importance of redesigning entry points to improve the boarding process, reducing overcrowding, and ensuring smoother operations. The initiative is part of a broader effort to modernize Jamaica's public transportation system. The improvements at North and South Parade represent a step towards creating a more organized, safe, and efficient transit experience for Kingston's commuters. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.